Okay, now that we're in our thinking rock, let's think. You will help us, right? Great. So, we are trying to figure out what Green wants to play outside. And our clues are, shapes,
grass, and the sky.
So what could Green wanna play outside, with shapes, grass, and the sky?
Well, if we're outside, maybe we could sit in the grass and look up at the sky. But what could we see? A cloud.
The clouds, right. Maybe different shaped clouds. So, if we're sitting in the grass, looking at shapes in the sky, what could we do?
Finding shapes in the clouds.
Finding shapes in the clouds. Yeah, that's it. That's what Green wants to play. Green, is that what you wanna play? The cloud game?
Bark bark.
We just figured out Green's clues. We just figured out Green's clues.
We just figured out Green's clues.
We just figured out Green's clues. Because we're really smart. Come on, let's go play the cloud game.
You know guys, this is great. Nothing like taking a break from all that clue finding, just to look at the clouds.
Agreed.
You said it.
Hey you guys.
Oh, hey you too. Let's start the cloud game. So, what do you see in the clouds?
Ooh. I see peppermint up there.
Oh yeah. That does look like peppermint.
Oh yeah, it does. Remember how we helped Honey make a special bouquet for Jam? How about you Green, what do you see?
Bark bark.
Do you see what Green sees?
A flower.
Oh yeah. A cloud that's shaped like a flower. Kind of looks like a tulip. Remember the nature walk we took? Oh, hi Wendy. Remember we helped her fix the seasons?
Look. That one looks like snowflakes over there.
Oh yeah, they do. Hey, what do you see up in the clouds? Really? Oh yeah. Hey, thank you so much for all your help today. This really was a nice day. Now it's time for So Long. But we'll sing just one more song. Thanks for doing your part. You sure are smart. You know with me and our friend Green, we can do anything that we want to do.
Bye bye, we'll see you later.
Thanks for spending our nature day with us.